Hello students, today we will learn our chapter 2, The Thief's Story from Footprints Without Feet of Standard 10th. This story is written by Ruskin Bond. I was still a thief when I met Anil. Here I means narrator and here I is a thief. So the narrator told that I was still a thief when he met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. And that time this thief was only 15 years old, but he was very successful in doing theft, in doing robbery. So he was well experienced person and he was very successful thief when he was only 15 years old. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. Approached him means met him. When this thief met Anil, that time Anil was watching wrestling match. He was about 25, a tall lean fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind and simple enough for my purpose. When this thief met Anil, he was looking like 25 years old person. So Anil was looking like 25 years old. He was very tall person. He was lean fellow. Lean means thin. बहुत ही पतला था ये. अनिल जो था वो बहुत ही लीन फेलो था, थीन फेलो था, बहुत ही पतला था. एंड ही लुक्ड इजी गोइंग and he was very liberal kind of person. Easy going means very he was having optimistic attitude, he was having positive attitude, kind and simple enough for my purpose, and he was looking very kind and simple fellow. And that is why this thief thought that I will be successful in my purpose. And what was the purpose of this thief? To rob this fellow, rob this Anil. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. I hadn't had much luck of late means what? That in past robberies he was not successful. His luck was not his luck was not supporting him. But this time he was thinking that because of this kind nature, because of the liberal nature of this young man, I could win the confidence of Anil. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. Flattery means insincere praise. Insincere praise means jhuthi तारीफ. So this thief thought that insincere praise will help us to make friends, and that is why कौन सी वो जूठी तारीफ वो करता है यो अनिल की, that you look a bit of a wrestler yourself, that you look like a wrestler. So this thief told Anil that you look like a wrestler, and that was the false praise, that was the insincere praise. वो झूठी तारीफ थी, लेकिन वो झूठी तारीफ क्यों कर रहा था? उसको फ्रेंड बनाने के लिए, क्योंकि वो सोचता था कि कभी कभी ऐसी इनसिंसियर प्रेज है ना, वो फ्रेंड बनाने के लिए बहुत काम आती है. So do you, he replied, which put me off for a moment, because at that time I was rather thin. So what was the reply of Anil? That so do you. So do you means you also look like a wrestler. And that put him off. That put this thief off. Put off means what? He became sad by this statement of Anil. And why he was hurt by the statement of Anil? Because that time this thief was also thin. तो उसको लगा कि ये भी मुझे ऐसा बोल रहा है, मैं तो थीन हूँ, मैं तो पतला हूँ, तो मैं रेसलर जैसा कैसे दिखूंगा. So that time he was hurt, that time he became very sad by the statement of Anil. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. Modestly means what? With a humble manner. So with a humble manner, this thief replied that yes, I also do some kind of wrestling. I do wrestle a bit. मैं कभी कभी कुश्ती कर लेता हूँ, ऐसा वो आंसर देता है हम्बल मैनर से. What is your name? Anil asked now this thief his name. So he asked that what is your name? Hari Singh. I lied. Lied means what? झूठ बोलना. So this thief replied that my name is Hari Singh. और वो हरी सिंह है वो उसका झूठा नाम था, उसका false name था. I took a new name every month that kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. And he was changing his name every month. वो अपना नाम जो है ना वो हर एक महीने बदलता था, हर एक हफ्ते वो अपना नाम बदल देता था. That kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. And why he was changing his name every month? So that he could hide his identity from the police and from his former employers. तो उनके जो फॉर्मर एम्प्लॉयर्स होते थे उससे वो भाग सके और पुलिस की निगरानी से वो बच सके, उसके हाथों में ना आ जाए, इसलिए वो अपना नाम बदल देता था. आफ्टर दिस इंट्रोडक्शन Anil talked about well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting and throwing each other about. And after this introduction, after giving names, Anil was now talking about wrestlers, and he was talking about how they apply oil on their body, how they grunt, how they were making noise, how they lifted each other and how they throw each other. And this kind of talking he was doing with this thief, and he was talking about wrestlers and about that art. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. And this thief was having no idea about wrestlers, and that is why he could not talk about them, and that is why he did not have much to say about them. So Anil walked away from the place, and this thief followed him casually. Hello again, he said. Anil said him, hello, why are you following me? Why are you coming behind me? I gave him my most appealing smile. And that time this thief gave him smile because he wanted to prove himself innocent, and that is why he was giving him smile. I want to work for you, I said. This thief said to Anil that I want to work with you. मैं आपके लिए कुछ काम करना चाहता हूँ, मुझे नौकरी पर रख दो, मैं आपके लिए कुछ काम करूँगा. But I can't pay you. Anil replied that if you want to work with me, no problem in that. But I cannot pay you. मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है तुझे देने के लिए. Because अगर कोई हमारे लिए काम करता है तो हमें उसको क्या देना पड़ता है? पैसा देना पड़ता है. So Anil replied him that if you want to work with me, I don't have any problem, but I can't pay you. I don't have money. Today, this much only. Next part I will explain you in next session. Thank you and have a nice day.